Hi guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this beautiful eyeshadow look. It's perfect for fall. I really wanted to do something different for fall, not the usual. So I went ahead and created this eyeshadow look for you guys and I hope you guys love it. But I'm first going to start with applying this eyeshadow on my brow bone. I haven't highlighted my brow bone in a while, so I went ahead and did it in today's video. By the way, I am using the Morphe 3502 palette. I love this palette, especially for fall, because it has a bunch of, fall eyeshadows that you could use. So I'm first going to start with applying this eyeshadow called Spice on my crease. Next, I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow called Terracotta, and I'm also placing this on the crease as well. And I'm doing windshield wiper motions when I'm applying this eyeshadow. And after that, I'm going to be applying this other eyeshadow called In the Zone. And this is a deep brown eyeshadow, but it's gonna create this beautiful deep orange color. I don't know, it's like the perfect combo for fall. So I'm just going to be blending that out, and then I'm gonna go back with the first brush I was using and I'm going to be blending everything together. I feel like I haven't cut my crease on camera in a while, so I went ahead and did it in this video so you guys could see how I cut my crease. You guys already know that I'm always using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. And then after that, I'm just going to make sure everything is blended, and I'm also going to set it with translucent powder. That way all the colors could blend nicely and we don't have any harsh bumps. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do right now. For my eyelid color, I'm going to be applying this eyeshadow called Polished, and I did apply it with my finger at first, but then I went ahead and did it with a brush and it worked as well, but I just rather do it with my finger. I feel like it just goes on a lot better, so I just went ahead and used my finger at first, but then I did go over it with a brush. I did go ahead and apply the yellow eyeliner off camera because it was pretty hard to do it when I was filming, but you guys pretty much know how I did it. I'm pretty much showing you guys how I did it, so it's pretty easy, but it could get a little complicated sometimes because it could get messy and you could just not do it right. So be careful when you're doing the eyeliner part. So if you recreate this eyeshadow look, make sure to tag me on Instagram because I'll love to repost it on my story. So now I'm just going to be moving on to the face, and I already did my foundation, concealer and all that. So I just went ahead and bronzed my face and apply blush and highlight and all that good stuff. So you guys already know how I do all that, so I didn't want to do my foundation and all that because I feel like I always show it in every video. So let me know if you still want me to do it because I'll be more than glad to do it. I just didn't know, because I kind of just wanted to get to the point. So yeah, sorry if I'm talking a little too much, but I'm just so excited for this video. I know I haven't been filming as much, but I promise you I'll be back with a lot more videos. And yeah, you guys are going to love the videos I have in mind. I can't wait to post a lot more and be back on track, so just stay tuned and just keep supporting me because I really, really love doing videos for you guys. To finish up the look, I'm going to be applying lipstick, and after that is done, this look is all complete. Let me know what you think down below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up before you leave. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. Everything will be linked down below. Let me know what other videos you guys want me to do, and I'll see you guys on my next video.